Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Are you tired of slow hair growth? Looking for a natural solution that actually works? Today I'm revealing how to use rosemary oil for faster, thicker, and healthier hair. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more amazing beauty secrets. Let's get started. Did you know rosemary oil has been proven to stimulate hair follicles, boost circulation, and even beat some expensive treatments? But only if you use it the right way. Stick with me, I will show you exactly how. Step number 1. Choose the right rosemary oil. Always pick 100% pure organic rosemary essential oil. Avoid chemical mixed ones. Step number 2. Dilute before using. Never apply it directly to your scalp. Mix 3 or 5 drops of rosemary oil with 1 tablespoon of carrier oil like coconut, jojoba or olive oil. Step number 3. Scalp massage technique. Massage the oil gently into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. This boosts blood flow and stimulates hair follicles. Step number 4. Leave it on. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes or even overnight. For deeper nourishment, wrap your hair with a warm towel. Step number 5. Wash your hair. Use a mild sulfate-free shampoo to cleanse your hair. Avoid harsh chemicals. Pro tips. Add 3 to 4 drops of rosemary oil directly to your shampoo bottle for daily benefits. Secret tips. Use it consistently. Apply rosemary oil 2 to 3 times a week for at least 3 months to see amazing results. Pair it with scalp derma rolling. Microneedling your scalp can make rosemary oil penetrate even deeper. Stay patient. Hair grows slowly but consistently. Using rosemary oil can boost your hair growth by up to 30%. That's it for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell because I have so many more hair care secrets coming your way. Comment below if you want a video on my DIY rosemary hair serum recipe. See you next time.